Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute the command. Now wait for some time to complete the process. Once done, move to the next step. Type C:, then hit enter. Now we need to type cd space C:/ and hit enter to execute. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Now type cd space config and hit enter. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute the command md space backup1 and simply hit enter. Now execute this command carefully. Type in copy space *** space backup1, then simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Execute this command. Type dir, then simply hit enter. Type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and simply hit enter to execute the command. Let's move to the next command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and simply hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter to execute. Now type in cd space C:/ and simply hit enter to execute the command. Now type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback and hit enter to execute. Now type this command bcdedit space /exports space C:/ bcd backup, then hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Type cd space boot and hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Type cd space C:/ and hit enter. Now type attrib C:/boot/bcd-h-r-s and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type ren space C:/boot/bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. And once done, let's move to the next command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and simply hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.